Hey there, fitness fanatics and tech enthusiasts! Welcome to today's video where we're diving into the exciting leaks and rumors surrounding the upcoming Garmin Fenix 8. So buckle up and let's explore what could be in store for the next-gen sports watch. First up, let's talk about the release date. While Garmin likes to keep us guessing, based on past patterns, we're looking at a potential launch window in late 2024 or early 2025. Keep your eyes peeled for updates. Now, onto the features. Imagine this: an AMOLED display lighting up your wrist, providing crisp visuals and vibrant colors. That's right, rumors suggest that the Fenix 8 could ditch the traditional display for a more modern upgrade. But that's not all. Another exciting addition could be a built-in microphone. Imagine being able to make and receive calls, or even chat with your favorite voice assistant, all from your wrist. And let's not forget about the flashlight mode. While previously limited to select models, rumors suggest that Garmin might expand this feature to all variants of the Fenix 8. Talk about shedding some light on your adventures. Now, what about battery life? Well, we're hearing whispers of even better endurance, with the potential for the Fenix 8 to last even longer on a single charge. Perfect for those epic outdoor adventures or marathon training sessions. Last but not least, let's talk about the heart rate sensor. With previous models facing some criticism for inconsistency, rumors suggest that Garmin could be stepping up their game with improved accuracy and reliability. But wait, there's more. How about enhanced navigation capabilities? Some leaks hint at improved GPS accuracy and additional mapping features, making the Fenix 8 the ultimate companion for exploring new trails and terrains. And speaking of exploration, rumor has it that the Fenix 8 could boast advanced tracking for various outdoor activities, including hiking, skiing, and mountain biking. Get ready to push your limits and conquer new challenges with every adventure. Now, let's talk style. While functionality is key, we can't ignore the importance of aesthetics. Leaked images suggest sleeker designs and customizable options, allowing you to express your unique style while staying active. And for the data-driven athletes out there, rumor has it that the Fenix 8 could introduce new metrics and insights to help you optimize your training and recovery. From sleep quality to training load, get ready to take your performance to the next level. So there you have it, folks. While these are just leaks and rumors for now, the Garmin Fenix 8 is shaping up to be one heck of a sports watch. Keep your eyes peeled for more updates, and until next time, stay active and stay tuned.